For my next magical trick, I'm going to try to use two ratted out headlights to make one. Electrolysis. So here's my headlight bucket after hours, days of electrolysis. The darkness, the black in there is not rust. So we'll see if I can transform this into something that's going to work. So essentially I cut this out of the other one and it's going to go right in there. So back to the headlights. I'm going to piece together two to make one. This right here, this is not usable, so I'm going to recreate one. See if that works. So here is a leftover headlight, but I was able to scrounge up some pieces in the inside. The other headlight I made from two different ones, cut and brazed together the inside. I still got a lot of holes through there, but I have little holders for the adjustment screws and the clips for the springs. So with some fiberglass and bondo, I think it's going to work. This is my air quotes good headlight. I finished my job of recreating the little bracket for the adjustment screw. I think it's going to be okay. So here's my worst headlight, the one that I brazed pieces together. I've used fiberglass matting and resin on the inside, and bondo on the outside, so let's see if we can make a headlight. Further adventures of making two crappy headlights into one decent one. I was missing this little tab on both of these, so I took the worst one, drilled out the little tab, and I will place it here. So there.